Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to find Zoom recordings on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, if you are using the Zoom mobile app, it's important to know that cloud recordings are the only type saved when recording from a phone. Zoom does not support local recording on mobile, so the video gets stored in your Zoom cloud account. To find your recordings, open the official Zoom website at zoom.com and log in with the same account you used to record the meeting. Then click on recordings from the left sidebar. Here you will see all your saved cloud recordings. Just tap on any file to view, play or share it directly from your phone. If you can't find anything there, make sure your Zoom plan includes cloud recording because free accounts don't always have that feature. Also, check your email. Zoom often sends a link to your cloud recording once it's processed. And that's it. Now you know how to find Zoom recordings on phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.